Doc McStuffin's Pet Vet, Smitten with a Kitten. Adapted by Cary Grant. Based on the episode written by Shay Fontana for the series created by Chris Nee. One afternoon, Doc introduces her toys to a new friend, a little toy kitten. The kitty's owner donated her to the school's secondhand sale. That is the cutest kitty ever, Lambie squeals with excitement. Lambie twirls and says, "If I adopted her as my pet, I would love her and cuddle her some more. Could I adopt the kitty? Pretty pink, please?" Doc says adopting a pet is a super thing to do. "Come here, my pretty kitty," says Lambie. "Ready for your first cuddle?" But the shy kitten backs away. Lambie doesn't understand. "Everyone likes my cuddles," she cries. Lambie tries to cuddle the kitten again, but the kitty leaps off the bed, climbs a curtain, and jumps onto Doc's bed canopy. "Uh-oh," yells Stuffy. "Cat's on the run. Code 9 lives." "Calm down, kitty. I'll catch you," Lambie calls. But the kitten jumps off the canopy and scurries out of sight. Lambie is heartbroken. Maybe she's afraid. It's scary to be in a new house with new toys, Doc explains. Doc says the kitty might not run away if they're very quiet and careful not to frighten her. Doc and the toys tiptoe to where the kitten is hiding. Doc crouches down, holds out her hand, and gently says, "Here, kitty." When the kitten runs into Doc's arms, Lambie is thrilled. "Do you think you could give my kitty a checkup now?" she asks. "You're great at this adoption thing," Doc tells Lambie. "Taking your pet to the vet is a big part of being a pet owner. Now let's go get your pet a checkup." Doc and the toys take the kitten to the pet vet clinic for her first checkup. "We're gonna need a brand new spanking chart," says Hallie. The kitty bats at Doc's stethoscope. "She's playful. That's a good sign," Doc says. Then she listens to the kitten's heartbeat. It sounds strong. "I bet my kitty has the biggest heart," Lambie coos. Next, Hallie takes the kitten's temperature with a thermometer. "Temperature's normal," she reports. "Great," Doc replies. "Now let's get her weight." Doc puts the kitten on a special veterinarian scale. But the kitten gets scared again. She jumps off the scale and onto Stuffy's back. "Hey, where'd the kitty go?" Stuffy asks. "Here, kitty, kitty." The kitten lets out a tiny meow. Doc gently places the kitten on the vet table to check her eyes and ears. When she shines the light from the otoscope on the wall, the kitten bats at the light. "My kitty's so cute," Lambie says. Doc says the kitten is healthy. She just needs a little cleaning up and a lot of love. "Sounds perfect," says Lambie. After the kitten has a bubble bath, Doc brushes her fur. The kitten purrs loudly. Next, it's time for the kitten to get a collar. The tag has Doc's contact information on it in case the kitty ever gets lost. "We should put her name on it too," Doc says. "I haven't even thought about her name," says Lambie. The kitten lets out the softest meow yet. "How about Whispers?" Lambie suggests. "A soft, sweet name for a soft, sweet kitty." Everyone thinks Whispers is a great name. Just one last thing to get ready for our perfect first cuddle, says Lambie. She has a purple bow that looks just like hers. But when she tries to put it on Whispers, the kitten runs and hides. "She ran away from me again," Lambie cries. "I think I know why Whispers keeps running away," says Doc. "She has a case of Skitteryitis." Doc explains that when you rescue a pet, it takes time for the pet to get used to a new home. Whispers just needs to settle in. She'll come to you when she's ready. "I'll always be here for her. But what if Whispers doesn't want me?" Lambie cries. "What if she hides from me forever?" Lambie is so upset she doesn't notice when Whispers comes out of her hiding spot. "Look, Lambie," says Doc. Whispers jumps into Lambie's arms and gives her a cuddle and a big purr. "I love you, Whispers," Lambie tells her new pet. The end. I hope you've enjoyed this story, Smitten with a Kitten. Grandma just loves Doc McStuffins and all of her friends. Do you know what the word smitten means? In this story, Lambie is smitten with a kitten, and that means that Lambie really, really likes the kitten. She loves the kitten and wants to adopt it. Have you ever adopted a pet? If you have, click that thumbs up button and let Grandma know. Grandma's adopted a lot of pets, and the last one was a kitten too. I named my kitten Moo because Moo is black with a white stripe down his nose, and he looks like a cow. So Grandma named my cat Moo because he looks like a cow. I love that Lambie named her kitten Whispers because she had a very soft little meow. So cute. Now, I want you to make sure you come back for more stories by Grandma.